Hey everybody, this is Cricket. Thank you for coming and joining me today to show you this sticker haul from Sticky Sloth Designs. Let's go ahead and just get right on into it. This was the freebie that I got, and I'm going to try to get the color. There it is, just a little bit. It's like a mint green looking color. It is really, really beautiful. The camera, of course, is not going to do it justice, but I'm probably blinding you as we speak. All right, what I ordered was, these are the pink bows in the rose gold. There we go. And then I got the bow headers or dividers. And these are the light gray done in silver. Then these are the bow dividers, light gray done in silver. And then these are the bow quarter boxes in gray and silver. These are the rose gold dividers. And then the headers. Oh, beautiful. Then I got the speech bubbles in silver. The scissors. I want to say this is the rose gold. And then another one. And then Game Day in gold. So cool. And then I got the black faux glitter vinyl planner stickers. They're so pretty, and you can see how beautiful they are. So pretty. Okay, so that's what I got from Sticky Sloth Designs. You need to go check them out. And then the second one that I have for you today is from Sticker Bloom. See if I can get this out. This was the freebie. It says, "Thank you for your purchase." So pretty, and the quality, oh, it's so soft, so soft. I love it. All right, and then this was the September monthly kit, and then the beautiful fall kit. So this is the September monthly, and it's silver foil. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. This is for the Erin Condren. And then the dates, your bill dues, Labor Day, Autumn Begins, Grandparents' Day, and Patriotic Day, reminder this month, and then your flags. And then this is the beautiful fall kit, and this is done in the rose gold. Isn't that beautiful? Look at these full boxes. Your heart check flags, your functionals, hello weekend, your habit trackers, your hydrates, your flags, date night, me time, coffee break, TGIF, cleaning day, trash out, laundry day, clean house, payday, get gas, bows and hearts and planners. Then your full heart check boxes, your Monday through Sunday, your quarter boxes. More flags, your movie marquee, appointment boxes, bill dues, half boxes. Your headers with your little things. your bottom washi, your washi strips. Oh, wait a second, this might be half boxes. Nope, these are washi strips and deco. Then your day covers, your dates, and more washi strips with foil. So beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. And so this one is called Beautiful Fall, and now you can see why. And then this is the September kit. And that is from Sticker Bloom. And then again, this is from Sticky Sloth Designs. So go check out both of these companies. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my link tree with all my information for my Instagram and my Facebook. And I hope to see you back here soon for another haul or playing with me. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye.